Alicante Town by Town. Benimarfull. Benimarfull, located to the north of the province of Alicante, is a town with an agricultural tradition, an attractive urban center. Streets with an irregular layout, with whitewashed houses, and dotted with trees and plants that give it a beautiful aspect. A rural image to which the municipal laundry contributes. Once a meeting forum for the women of the town and a witness of the past times that survived in the collective memory of the town. The municipality is a land marked by the presence of ravines such as El Sofre, the Albacar, and Benimarfull, popularly called El Barranc del Poble, a cleft in the earth that divides the town and that the Benifullers have managed to resolve with a bridge made of ashalars, which links the old town with the more modern. Amongst the buildings of the town, the parochial church of Santa Ana from the 17th century stands out. A church next to which stands a slender bell tower with 3 layers, which currently houses the museum of the parish. Undoubtedly, the singular factor for which Benimarfull achieved fame from the mid-19th century was the spa of La Fuente de Santa Ana, which was inaugurated in 1847 and which closed in 1940 after the Civil War. This thermal center, famous for its properties of its healing waters and a reference for the burghers of the time, was visited by the Minister of the Interior in 1868, Práxedes Mateo Sagasta, and the former Prime Minister, José Canalejas, in 1893. Today, this spa has become an attractive rural-style establishment that has preserved the architecture of some of the buildings of yesteryear. Benimarfull forms part of the geographical space occupied by the 30 villages which produce Las Cerezas de la Montaña de Alicante. In its fields, olive trees are also cultivated, which are destined for the production of virgin oil for the denomination of origin Mariola. But in addition, the proximity of Benimarfull to the industrial axis, which makes it up to towns of Alcoy and Cocentaina, has led to the creation of an industrial estate that is home to many companies.